This is your first picture and this is your second picture, okay? First of all, you will tell me the similarities between these two pictures, okay? Please raise your hand and tell me what is the same thing in these two pictures. First, first is this, second is this. Tell me the same thing. So Agrim has raised hand. Yes, Agrim, please tell me the similarities between these two pictures.
Ma'am, in both pictures there are house. There is a house.
There is one building, ठीक है, and we
Yes.
call this building a house, okay? So Mahi, I think you have lowered your hand. Raghav, please tell me any similarities that you can see here.
Ma'am, there are two houses.
There are two houses, okay? There is lawn also. There is one building, okay? Some trees also, okay? These are the similarities, okay? Well done. Now, who will tell me the difference between these two pictures? So, Samya, please tell me, beta. Unmute. In first and second picture, what is the difference? This is second picture, this is first picture. Speak up, Samya. Okay, Mahi, please speak up. What is the difference, beta?
Ma'am, in first pictures there are the people and second picture there are not.
Well done, excellent. In the first picture, there are some people, there is a family who lives in this house, and in the second picture, there is no family, okay? So what is the difference between these two pictures? First picture is called home. Home is the place where family lives, okay? Where we people live with each other, we love each other, we share the things, we care for each other, and this is the house. Okay, Agrim, I think you are just scribbling, little bit scribbling, maybe by mistake. So, okay. So, second one is house. House is a place, it's a building, okay? It refers to the walls, paint, ceiling, windows, doors. These things are called house. But what is home? Home is a place where family lives. They share things with each other, they love each other. Now you got the difference between home and house? Everyone? समझ आ गई home क्या होता है, house क्या होता है? Okay, well done. So I'm coming back to ask you what is home, what is house. Now you people will show me the heart if you are living in a home, and you people will show me the shocking smiley if you are living in a house. So 1, 2, 3 and go. Where do you live, home or house? Okay, Himanshu, you can find out this emoji with a heart. Okay, fine. Well done. So Karthik is living in a house. Karthik, please unmute. Karthik, you are living in a house or home? Bache, unmute and let me know. You are just muting yourself again and again. Yes.
Home.
Home. Okay. And I saw that, shocking emoji. And Pavni also, I think she lives in a house. Yes, Pavni?
I live in both.
Home is a place where family lives. Now decide, do you live in a house or home?
Ma'am, I live in house and home both.
Home, beta, home is actually both the things. Family भी होती है, उसमें ये building भी होती है. And house is not having any kind of family. So obviously,
So
Building and family home hai.
yes. When you have building in which you live and you have family also, so it's always a home. Okay. Okay. Well done, all of you. Now our poem is related to this topic. So please open your books. This book, beta, Honeysuckle book. The name of the poem is A House, a Home. It's page number 15. Page number 15, A House, a Home. जैसे मैंने आपको डिफरेंस बताया, the poet is trying to do the same. Okay. So I would request Samya to just recite the first stanza. Samya, please recite the first stanza. Unmute, please.
What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that hard, some window glass and perhaps a yard. Its eaves and
Chimneys.
chimneys and tile, floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors.
Stucco. Yes, correct. So, beta, now the poet is explaining us what is a house. So, a house is a brick and stone. A house is made up of brick and stone. Okay? And wood, that's hard. Obviously, we have wood work and at our home also. Okay? So, a house is having bricks, stones, and some wood. Some window glass, some glass windows are there in the house, and perhaps a yard. Who will tell me what is yard? Y-A-R-D, yard. Anyone? Show me thumbs up as so many hands are already raised. Show me thumbs up if you know. Pavni and Chaitanya, you people will tell me what is yard.
Ma'am, a yard is a sort of garden.
It's a kind of space that is there in front of our house or in the back side of our house. Okay? Okay, well done. So yard is a place that we just leave in front of our house. And probably we can make lawn there. ठीक है? और back side पे भी हम वहाँ पे एक lawn बना सकते हैं. So well done. Yard is a front or back side space. ठीक है? I'll show you the pictures also after some time. Then it's eaves. What are eaves? Anyone? It's difficult for you maybe. Okay, I'll show you the eaves also. You can underline this word. Then you can at last ask me that please show me the picture of this thing or that thing. So I'll show you the picture of yard. Then I will show you the picture of eaves. Eaves beta, whenever आपको house का structure पता होगा, this kind of structure, you can see the screen. This type of structure, ठीक है, house का. And this hanging part is called eave. Okay? So this hanging part is called eave. So a house is made up of windows, doors, eaves, chimneys. Chimneys, you know that at in the kitchen we have chimneys, right? Just to let the smoke out of the kitchen. And tile floors, obviously on the floor there are many tiles. Then stucco. Chaitanya, you are raising your hand. Yes, beta.
मैम मुझे eaves का मतलब पता है.
Yes, please tell us.
Ma'am, the part of the roof that meets the overhangs.
Yes, I told you earlier also, beta, this kind of thing, ऐसे की जो होती है, ये eve होती है, okay? Okay, fine. So chimneys are there in the kitchen. Then stucco. So might be beta, you can just look at your ceiling. हो सकता है आपकी ceiling बिल्कुल plain हो, और ये भी हो सकता है that there is one design on the ceiling in the corners. You can just look at the ceiling of your room and just see the things. आप सारे ऊपर देखो please. I'm looking at your face. Look at the ceiling. Ceiling होती छत. अपने room की छत देखो please. Maybe it is plain. Maybe it is having one design in the corner. ठीक है? So if it is having one design ऐसे की line सी बनी होती है, that is called stucco. I'll show you the stucco after some time. And roof obviously बेटा छत होती है, ठीक है? And lots of doors. And in a house, what is there? There are so many doors. But there is no family in the house. House is a normal building where nobody lives. Okay? Now, I hope you have underlined the words. Now I'm going to show you the picture one by one. Let's see the pictures. Okay, the first one is yard. Yard is easy. Still, I'm going to show you. This is the yard beta in front of your house. ठीक है? This area is called yard. Okay. Next one, I told you to underline eaves. Eaves. Can you see the screen? So eaves पे बेटा arrow बनाया हुआ, you can see. This is your eave. This part. Okay. This is eaves. Next is chimney. Chimney obviously you know. Still I will show you. This is for those who don't know the meaning of chimney. This is the chimney बेटा जो हमारी kitchen में लगी होती है, ठीक है? So it just lets the smoke out of the kitchen. Next one is Stucco. Stucco is this bit a grainy part. Let me write stucco on the roof. This part is called stucco. Let me find out the clear picture here. Yes. So some people have these kind of walls. Okay, this is called stucco. Okay, some have these kind of also. So wall ke upar there is something drawn that is called stucco. Okay, you got it? Okay, the next one is, I think, okay, we have done. So second stanza. So let me find out. Mehak, please recite the second stanza.
Ma'am, what is a home? It is loving and family and doing for others. It is brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It is unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring.
Yes. Now the poet is telling us the meaning of home. Home is a place, okay, where loving family lives. We people care for each other, we help each other, okay, and we love each other. It's loving family and doing for others. We live by doing for others, okay? Like your mother cooks food for you, okay? That is home, okay? So we people help each other. It's brothers and sisters. Obviously, a home has siblings. Siblings क्या होते हैं? Brothers and sisters. Okay, and fathers and mothers. So we have our parents also in the home. It's unselfish acts. तो बेटा कभी ऐसा हुआ आपकी मम्मा ने आपके लिए कुकिंग की हो and she would say लाओ 500 rupees. ऐसा हुआ है कभी? No, na. So unselfish acts means we don't need anything in return. We just help each other and we don't need anything in return. Arshpreet, where are you? I don't think so. You are listening, beta. Arshpreet. Karthik, Jaskaran, or Jasvi, आप तो starting से बेटा आपकी video off है. So I think I should remove you from the meeting. Lavanya, Muskan. And kindly sharing, we share each other. And we are very kind with our parents and with our brother and sister. And showing your loved ones, you are always caring and you are always there, beta. Whether your family members, sometimes they feel sick, they are ill, and you are always there for them to care. Okay? Now, this was house and home poem, very easy one. Now, I'm giving you one work to do. I'm giving you 2 minutes. You have to tell me the difference between a house and home according to the poem. Okay? You have 1 to 2 minutes. Think about the answer and your time starts now. So your question is, what is the difference between a house and a home? At this question you will do in your fair also. As there is no question in the back exercise to be done in the fair, so you will do this question in your fair notebook. Okay? Now I'm giving you 1 minute. Find out the difference. Proper answer you have to give me. And for just 1 minute, I'm going to lower your hand. You can raise it as soon as you get the answer. Okay, Pavneet is ready with her answer. Anyone else? Okay, Pavni is there. I think I should start with Pavneet then. Pavneet, please tell me your answer, beta. What is the difference between a house and a home?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, a house is just made up. House is just a box that is made up of um, bricks and wood that is hard, and perhaps have yard. But in a house is made up of care and unselfishness. And in house, a loving family lives. Both brother and sister love with each other, and everyone care for each other.
A home, yes, correct. So a house is a structure, according to Pavneet, a house is a structure where we can see yard, windows, chimneys, floor, stucco, etc. Okay, and home is a place where a family lives. Okay, and all the family members care for each other. They do unselfish acts for each other, and all the members are very kind. Okay, well done. Next is Pavni. Pavni, please tell me your definition or your difference between house and a home.
Then a house is a physical structure of wood, metal, bricks, and stone, and many other things. But a home is a house made of relationships and love, and everyone cares for each other and loves each other
Okay, everyone cares.
without any selfishness.
ठीक है. Without any selfish acts. Okay, if you are using the word without, then selfish word. ठीक है? Okay, fine, well done. Next is Mahi. Mahi, please tell me a house and a home.
Ma'am, house is a building where no family live. It is made up of bricks and stones. And home is a place where family live, and the brothers and sisters share their things with each other.
Okay.
And love with each other.
Okay, they love each other. Okay, well done. Samya, Raghav. First Samya, then Raghav. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, house refers to the building in which someone lives. Ma'am, a home can refers either to a building or to any location that a person think.
Okay, beta, according to poem, you have to tell me. I think this is a dictionary meaning of house and home. But according to poem, you have to tell me that what poet thinks that what is house and what is home. Okay. So think about it. I'll come to you again. Yes, Raghav.
Ma'am, a house is made up of bricks and stone. It has a door, windows, roofs, and chimneys. A home is made by loving family. It has fathers, mother, brothers, sisters.
Okay, well done. A house is a structure which is made up of bricks, stones, and wood. And we can see some things like chimneys, glass windows, okay, stucco, etc. in the house. Where home is home refers to a loving family. Okay, okay, fine. Mehak, Karthik, then Mehak, then Agrim. Karthik.
Ma'am, house. A house is a building that is made up of bricks, stone, wood. There is one yard, roof, and doors. There is no family. Home. A home is a place when family live. They help, love, and care of each other.
Okay, well done. And all are very kind and they always care for other. Okay, well done. बस एक लाइन बेटा मत लिखना that there where no family lives. Okay, house में जब family रहती है उसको home कहते हैं. Okay, well done. Okay, next one is Mehak, then Agrim, then just Karan. Mehak.
Ma'am, a house is a building or a play or a house is a building where a house is made of brick, stone, and wood that is hard, and we can see window glasses and a tile floors, and a home is made up of loving family where brother and sister share their feelings and love each other.
Yes, very well done. And they do unselfish acts for each other. Okay, well done. Agrim and Jaskaran. Then we'll move to the back exercise. Yes, beta.
House is a kind of structure that is made up of brick, stone, and wood that is very hard. It has a yard and and a lot of doors. But a house is a structure where mother, father, brothers, and sisters live. Brothers and sisters kindly share each other things uh, uh, and show unselfish acts.
Okay. So home refers to, ठीक है Agrim? Home refers to a loving family. You can write like this. Okay, well done. Last is just Karan. So meanwhile, other students, please beta start doing exercise on page 16, back exercise. Okay, completed, then I'll ask you. Yes, just Karan, please tell us the difference between a house and a home. Just Karan. Just Karan, please unmute. Okay. Just Karan, do you want to speak? No, I think so. Okay. Neza. Karthik, your video is off.
मैम मैंने आंसर दे
Agrim, your video is off. Yes, Neza.
मैम मैंने आंसर देना है
Yes, please speak up.
मैम फर्स्ट
Okay, you want to give answer of back exercise? Okay, tell me first better.
मैम
then. A house is made up of dash.
मैम bricks and stones
Okay, cement also better. Cement पता नहीं लिखा है या नहीं. Okay, bricks, stones and wood. Okay, bricks, stones and wood. Okay, well done. Next is Tanishka. Tanishka, second answer. It has dash.
Second, window, yards, floors, lots of doors.
Okay. Doors, windows, yard, rooms, कुछ भी लिख दो बेटा जो जो आपको हाउस में दिखता है. Well done. Okay. Himanshu. Himanshu, please speak up the third answer. A house is made by whom? A house is made by
Mother, father, brother, sister, unselfish acts.
Okay. A house is made by loving family. In place of brother, sister, father, mother, you can simply write by loving family and unselfish acts. Okay, well done. Next one is Lavanya. Lavanya, please tell me it has dash. ये home की बात कर रहे हैं, home की. It has dash.
Family.
Okay, now you can explain beta brother,
Family.
brother, sister. Okay, family.
Brothers, sisters.
Father and mother. Okay. So this was the first question. Obviously, you have to do in books only. In notebook, you will write just one answer. ठीक है? और ये कम से कम आपका 7 to 8 lines में होना चाहिए. Okay? Okay. Next one is now complete these sentences about your house and home. My house is dash. अब अपने घर के बारे में बताना है. In some lines, 3 to 4 lines. Yes, please. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. My house is dash. Don't explain your home, explain your house. The building. Okay. Chaliye, I'm giving you 1 minute completed. Arshpreet, I'm going to mark absent beta. Chaitanya, should I mark your absent? Who else? Divyanshi. No, not Divyanshi. Gurcharan. I have marked your absent. Karthik also. Muskan. Ojasvi. Ojasvi, I'm thinking that I should remove you from the meeting. Unmute yourself, Ojasvi. Ojasvi, unmute. Okay, then I'm going to remove you. Okay, I have removed Ojasvi from the meeting. If you don't know how to sit in class, then I think I should not let you sit here. Who else is there whose camera is off? Lavanya. If you are using phone, beta, please don't go to participants list. जैसे आप participant list में जाते हो, आपकी video off हो जाती है. If you are using phone, please don't go to participant list. अपनी screen पे रहा करो, okay? चलिए, now let's start. First one is Pavni, please explain, beta. My house is dash.
And my house is very big and beautiful,
Loudly.
and it has everything that is needed by me. It consists of everything that is needed by me.
Okay, you can fill the blank, beta, by these lines. Okay, Neza, please tell us. Neza.
Ma'am, the best thing about my home is all acts are unselfish.
All acts are unselfish. We love each other. Okay. What about the first part, beta? My house is dash.
Ma'am, my house is big. It has all facilities. It has so airy also.
It is so airy. It has all facilities. It has many rooms in it. Okay, well done. And fine. Next is Pavneet. Pavneet, any answer? जो भी आपको पसंद है, first and second. Any one answer.
When my house is made up of brick, stones, and there is many facilities, but there is no family in my house.
There are many. There are many facilities. Okay, there are. I think you spoke. There is many facilities. There are. Okay, well done. Mahi, Chaitanya. Mahi first, then Chaitanya. Quickly, we have just 2-3 minutes left.
Ma'am, the best thing about my house is I live there with my family. We share our things with each other.
Well done. Very good. Okay. So, Chaitanya, any one answer? beta?
Ma'am, my house is very big and beautiful, and it contains all the facilities. It looks like a royal house.
Okay, well done. Very good. Then
It
who's
looks very royal.
fine. Mahi, did you get turn, beta? I think you got turn. Mahi. Okay, so I have cleared, I think, all the doubts. We have done back exercise. I have given you one question also for pair. Now, in case you have any kind of doubt in your mind, you can ask me. Right now, you can ask me. Anyone. You can ask me your question. Himanshu.
Ma'am, I want to ask which question we have to done in fair.
Beta, the question that I have written on the board. What is the difference
Okay.
between a house and a home? In 6 to 7 lines, you have to write it, okay? And please write according to the poem, everyone. Please don't write the dictionary meanings, okay? I just want to see the lines which are given in the poem, okay? Next is Raghav. Raghav, you can ask your question.
मैम इस हाउस एंड होम के डिफरेंस के अलावा और कोई क्वेश्चन है?
No, beta, you have to do this thing only in notebook, and in book you have to do back exercise, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And beta, this is your English subject, everyone. Please don't draw the line and write the difference house and home. This is not science or SST. Write in paragraph form. Don't draw any line and don't write number 1 is house, then number 2 is home. No. You have to write only in paragraph form. In English, we don't like this thing that some people make points, and some people draw line. English में हमेशा paragraph form ही चलेगी, ठीक है? Okay, next is Agrim. Agrim, you can ask your question.
मैम आपने हमारे को कहा था कि मैं लास्ट में मेरे को याद कराना कि मैं आपको फोटो दिखाऊंगी यार्ड और ईव्स की.
I have shown it.
मैम
I have shown it, Agrim. सबको दिखी रही है? मैंने देख ली सिर्फ. पावनी, did you see that?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, Agrim, I showed it, beta. So you can Google it anytime and you can just write down yard and eaves. You will see that. Okay, I think I showed it. Maybe you were somewhere. Abhi 1 minute ke liye jana padta hai. Okay, next is Pavneet. Pavneet.
Ma'am, I have doubt.
Yes, Pavni. You can ask then Pavneet.
Ma'am, can I make extra questions of this poem and writing fair?
Beta, please repeat it. I'm not able to understand. Please repeat.
Ma'am, can I make extra questions of this poem and writing fair?
You can make, beta, but make only on books. Okay, I just want that everyone's notebook should be same. Okay, you can make extra questions, but on book you have much space in your book, so you can make there. Okay. Okay. Next one is
Okay, ma'am.
Pavneet. Pavneet, please ask me question.
मैम मेरे को बोला था कि मैम कभी कभी ना एक्चुअली क्वेश्चंस में से हो जाता है, तो मैम यूट्यूब पे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस वाली वीडियोस आती हैं.
बेटा आज से स्टार्ट होंगी वो, बट ट्राई टू कंप्लीट योर वर्क इन द क्लास ओनली. ठीक है, बट आज से आपकी वीडियोस आएंगी बेटा यूट्यूब पे. ओके,
थैंक यू मैम.
so I think I have cleared all the doubts. It's 1 p.m. so tomorrow is your holiday. Enjoy your holidays. ठीक है, holiday. Happy Vaisakhi, and I'll meet you day after tomorrow. Okay, bye beta, take care.